Vince, it looks like you're using some techniques here that I haven't seen Reuben using, so.
Really? So yes, this is just the pre-shape for the ventros. So when you have your trays of dough, you're trying to divide them so that you get even sizes for all your shapes. So once you shape them out, you have to put them back into a circle so that they can get reshaped into the final forms. So I'm sort of stretching and folding the dough here to develop more strength so that it'll hold its shape better and rise better, and just sort of working it into a circle. And then picking it up and again, just kind of pushing it so that it shapes.
Makes it pretty smooth that way too.
Yeah, exactly. And you're building tension on the skin so that later when you shape it and it bakes, you can get a nice oven spring.
Nice. And what's special about this flour that you're using to sprinkle on the?
It's just really fine, so it makes things slide really easily because there's no grain or anything. So it just allows you to like work the dough a lot easier.
Well, it's beautiful. It looks like art.
Thanks. Yeah, this is the fun part. You're gonna look through the dough, and so these guys will sit for another half an hour doing what's called a bench rest. So they'll just kind of like keep rising a little bit more, and the gluten will relax, and that'll let you then shape it afterwards and put it in the basket so that they can do their final.
Great. Thanks.